It's going to happen. Getting rid of my speed is the only way to save the world. Damn it, Jefferson! It's the only way to save your family, too!
I suggest you keep my family out of this.
After everything we've done today, everything I've told you, you're just giving up.
Barry, you need to think very carefully right now.
I'm asking you to save the world, and you won't even listen! You're gonna hear me now. Because one way or the other, you're gonna help me finish this. Look at what I just did! The damage I can still cause! You made a promise to keep this world safe.
I am keeping the world safe by saving one of its projectors.
Fine. You want to ignore the protocols? Now imagine millions dead. All because of me!
It's your lightning. You keep it. How about we stop this insanity? Hmm?
Do you remember why we call our safety plan injustice? Because if one of us goes rogue, the rest of the world doesn't stand a chance.